Okay, Heavy, question. So what is the black biker set, in your opinion, is going on with it today?
What's going on with the black biker today? You know what I'm saying? They done took the street gang and tried to bring it into the motorcycle set. You know what I'm saying? And what the people have to realize, it ain't, they had more brotherly love when there was a few bikers. Now everybody can get a motorcycle, and then that way, you know what I'm saying, they come from the street, you know what I'm saying, and they've been hassled in the street, then they get a motorcycle, then they got comfort.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? So what it is, people don't realize how much brotherly love that people started. See, when I started riding and long back in the 50s, you know, everybody, if you're riding motorcycle, they're mixing citizen with motorcycle rider. And that's the worst thing to do. You know what I'm saying? Because they don't see the same way of life. The biking, you know what I'm saying? We can talk, because we got something in common to talk about the bike. But other people, they don't understand that, you know.
The gypsy woman told my mother before I was born, I got a boy child coming. He's gonna be a son of a gun. He's gonna make pretty women jump and shout. Then the world wanna know what this all about. But you know I'm here. I got a black cat bone. I got a mojo too. I got the John the Conqueror. I'm gonna mess with you. I'm gonna make you girls lead me by my hand. Then the world will know the hoochie coochie man. But you know I'm here. On the 7 hours, on the 7 days, on the 7 month, the 7 doctors say he was born for good luck, and that you see, I got $700. Don't you mess with me, but you know I'm here.
When I first met you, baby, you were just sweet 16. Just off your home then, baby. Oh, the sweetest thing I'd ever seen. But you wouldn't do nothing for me, baby. You wouldn't do anything I asked you to. Wouldn't do nothing for me, baby. Oh, you wouldn't do anything seems like everything